want to take the Apple experience even further. And we saw an opportunity to transform another fundamental method of transit, and we call it Apple Car.
Apple is believed to be working on an electric vehicle project that it plans to launch a few years down the road. The top-secret project is said to be in the works at a hidden lab named SG5 in Sunnyvale, California. Internally, the effort is believed to be known as Project Titan and may one day yield an Apple Car. 1. Apple-designed electric car. 2. Known as Project Titan. 3. Self-driving systems currently being tested. 4. Development personnel faced major scale-back multiple times. 5. Project faced leadership turmoil regarding the direction. 6. Acquired drive. AI in 2019. 7. Car launch expected in 2023 to 2025. Common Apple Car questions. Is Apple working on a car? Project Titan refers to an internal project at Apple that deals with car manufacturing, design, and self-driving services. It is not yet clear if Apple is designing an entire vehicle like Apple Car, or just systems for a car. How long has Apple been working on a car? Project Titan started around September 2014, when Apple CEO Tim Cook gave the order to start on an Apple Car. The first concrete evidence of such a project was discovered by Apple Insider at a location codenamed SG5 in March 2015. How much will Apple's car cost? The Apple Car rumors point to sophisticated technologies and self-driving concepts, none of which are cheap. While no concrete rumor of pricing has leaked, expect it be priced in the same range that Tesla or other luxury vehicles occupy. When will Apple's car be ready? According to respected Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the Apple Car should be ready between 2023 and 2025. No other evidence has corroborated this report. However, there are continuing signs that the project is still under development.